How to upload Loom video to Google Drive. So hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how you can do it, so let's just get started. First of all, you can just head over and search for loom.com or download the application and head over to it. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So the next step you need to do is locate up the video that you would like to share on Google Drive. So from Loom, for example, I would like to share this video right here. So just go ahead and locate up the video and you can look out for this three dot option right beside it. Just go ahead and click on it. And once clicked on it, we have this option of download video. So you can just go ahead and look out for this download video and download the video, confirm it, and it will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, you just need to head over and you can head over. Let me just go ahead. Now, Google Drive, you can just go ahead and open Google Drive and head over to the section where you want to share the files. So, for example, if you would like to share it here, you may just go ahead and look out for this section right here and look out for this upload option once you're in it, right? And once it is done, you can look out for this file upload and locate up the video that you would like to upload. So head over to this video of Loom and look out for an open option and it will start uploading on your Google Drive. And there you go. So this is it. You may follow the same process if you want to upload a Loom video to Google Drive. It is a very easy process. So therefore, thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.